हार्दं स्वागतम्।
नमस्ते जी।
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते महोदय।
रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्। कृष्णे नामर शत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेषां पुनः स्वागतम्। We will continue this first chapter. Sanjaya Uvacha.
और विजयलक्ष्मी भगिनी।
संजय उवाच संजय उवाच
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये
एवमुक्त्वार्जुन संख्ये एवमुक्त्वार्जुन संख्ये।
Yes, here it is a samyukta akshara ka ta va. Three letters are there.
Twa.
Twa. Yes.
एवमुक्त्वार्जुन संख्ये एवमुक्त्वार्जुन संख्ये
रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्
रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्।
Here it is a Mahaprana. Rathopastha upavishat.
रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्।
Again, this is a Mahaprana.
रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्।
Yes. Visrajya sasharan chapam.
विसृज्य शशरं चापं
शोक संविघ्नमानसः उत्तमम् उत्तमम् well chanted.
धन्यवाद।
This will come with practice will come this one.
Okay. रथोपस्थ
हरि ओम।
धन्यवाद।
हरि ओम।
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये
once again
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये
yes रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोक संविघ्नमानसः उत्तम उत्तम वेरी गुड वेल चैंटेड।
धन्यवादः।
मधुसूदन राव महोदय।
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्
मधुसूदन राव महोदय।
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपविशत् एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्
विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोक संविघ्नमानसः
विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः।
ओके उत्तमं धन्यवादः।
उमा राघवेंद्र राव भगिनी
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्।
हरि ओम्। एवमुक्त्वा अर्जुन संख्ये रथोपश्च उपाविशत्। एवमुक्त्वा अर्जुन संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत्।
विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः।
I don't have that information on the song Vignamansa.
Visrujya sang. Sir, I'm not getting it, sir, please.
विसृज्य सशरं चापं
Visrujya sang.
विसृज्य
Sir?
विसृज्य
Visrujya.
विसृज्य
Visrujya sasaram sabam soga samvigna manasah.
once again
Visrujya samaram sabam soga vigna manasah.
विसृज्य सशरं चापं
Visrujya sasaram sabam.
चापं
Visrujya
चापं
chapam.
yes
Visrujya sasaram chapam. Soga vigna
शोकसंविघ्नमानसः
manasah.
शोकं
Can I repeat, sir, again?
yeah once again please.
Visrujya samaram sabam soga vigna manasah.
सशरं चापं सशरं
Visrujya samaram sabam.
समरं सशरं
Sasaram, oh sorry. Visrujya sasaram sabam soga vigna manasah.
शोकसंविघ्नमानसः
Soga samvigna manasah.
okay
Visrujya sasaram sabam soga samvigna manasah.
okay धन्यवादः. Some difficulty is there in these pronunciations, you can just correct that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवादः.
ललिता श्रीधरन भगिनी
आं भगिनि।
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् ससृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः।
you can repeat this okay continue.
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः।
उत्तमं well chanted.
संजना भगिनी
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य सशरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः
एवमुक्त्वार्जुनः संख्ये रथोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य संसरं चापं शोकसंविघ्नमानसः
विसृज्य सशरं चापं
विसृज्य ससरं चापं
सशरं
शशरं
Sasharam. This sa, this sha.
शशरं चापं
Sasharam.
सशरं
Yes.
शशरं चापं
Yes.
शोकसंविघ्नमानसः।
Okay. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः।
शिवकुमार भगिनी
Om Tat Sadidi.
ॐ तत्सदिति ॐ तत्सदिति
Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu.
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu.
श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
Upanishadsu.
उपनिषत्सु
Brahma Vidyayam.
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
Yoga Shastre.
योगशास्त्रे
Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade.
श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama.
अर्जुन विषादयोगो नाम
Prathamodhyayah.
प्रथमोऽध्यायः
Prathamodhyayah.
प्रथमोऽध्यायः
Okay, धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः।
सुभाषिनी भगिनी
Om Tat Sadidi. Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu.
ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
Don't, this is Tat Sadidi.
ओके ॐ तत्सद् इति
Tatsad iti no. Tatsad iti.
ओके कंटिन्यूस ओके ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु
Brahma
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade.
योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे
Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyayah.
अर्जुन विषाद योगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः अर्जुन विषाद योगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः
कविता भगिनी
Om Tat Sadidi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता
कविता भगिनी
आम् भगिनि
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे अर्जुन विषाद योगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः।
Once again,
आं महोदय। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु
here there is, I think, su and u are combined, so it is dirgha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Supanishatsu. It is su dirgha. So you can chant it as Om Tat Sadidi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Supanishatsu.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु
Then Upanishatsu. Upanishatsu.
उपनिषत्सु
Brahma Vidyayam
ब्रह्मविद्यायां
Yoga Shastre
योगशास्त्रे
Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade
श्री कृष्णार्जुन
Krishna Arjuna.
पवित्रा भगिनी।
Yes, ma'am. आं भगिनि। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः। प्रथमोऽध्यायः।
This is Mahaprana. Prathamodhyayah.
प्रथमोऽध्यायः।
Yes, this is Mahaprana. There is a Mahaprana here, Bha, and these two are Mahapranas. So I'll chant once, then we can chant. Om Tat Sadidi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Supanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Arjuna Vishada Yogo Nama Prathamodhyayah.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे अर्जुनविषादयोगो नाम प्रथमोऽध्यायः।
धन्यवादः।
ॐ श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Dhanyavadaha, dhanyavadaha,
Thank you.
dhanyavadaha. So we have now completed the first chapter. So if you have any doubts in this chapter, you can raise doubts now.
For me, everything is clear, Mahodaya.
Mahodaya,
Yes.
only one doubt, Mahodaya.
Yes.
15th, Panchajanyam Krishikeshaha.
Panchajanyam Hrishikeshaha. Yes.
Panchajanyam Krishikeshaha.
Yes.
Panchajanyam Krishikeshaha.
Hrishikeshaha.
Krishikeshaha.
Yes.
Devadattam Dhananjayaha.
Yes.
Poundram Tatmau Maga Shankham Bhima Karma Vrhodaraha.
Yes.
Is it correct, Mahodaya?
Yes, yes. Here you can Dadmau. This is Alpaprana, Dadmau. This is Mahaprana, Dadmau.
अनन्या भगिनी। अनन्या।
No doubt. Sorry, by mistakenly I did raise hand.
Suchira Bhagini. Suchira Bhagini.
Yes, Modak, can you tell me about Dvitvam, where we have to apply Dvitvam? Everywhere we have to apply Dvitvam in Sanyuktakshara?
No. In
Or any rule is there specific?
rule is suppose a Hrasva letter. I will show you some examples. Hrasva letter followed by Samyuktakshara. So here the key. Here Mahatesyandane sthidau. Mahati is a alpa prana. There is a Hrasva here, and then Sya is a Samyuktakshara. Sa and Ye. So here that Dvitvam will come. Mahadesyandane sthidau.
Okay.
In this
And
place.
it will come, this rule applies for between a word also, between a pada also. Means like
in a pada, you have to follow it.
Means end of the word. If end of the word. Like
Yes. Even
pan,
even in between also, if it comes, you have to here also divyav. You see here, it is inside a word only.
Yes.
Here it is again divyav. You are getting a ditvam sound there. Some sort of a stressing there. To automatically come that one.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Yeah, you can listen to the chanting of Janani Sri Mahodaya. You can find out by closely watching. You can find out where this ditvam is coming. You can note down all those places. You can see that there will be a Hrasva letter followed by a Samyuktakshara. That is the rule there. See, Shabdasthumulo bhavat. Shabda is here again automatically will come. That Dvitvam will come.
Ajita Kumar Mahodaya.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste.
Actually, I come to the class. I was able to join the class today only. I was.
Bhagini, is the doubt relating to shloka pronunciation or anything else?
No. It is because I am first today in the group.
Okay. Let us discuss after Shanti Mantra, Bhagini. Madhusudana Rao Mahodaya. Madhusudana Rao Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadah Bhagini. Namaste Guru Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Here I got a small piece of information.
Yes.
With your permission, I would like to share.
Sure, please.
In the very first class, one of the Bhaginis asked, Sloka 3, Gyudham, what is the meaning of Gyudha? Okay, I got small information regarding this. Gyudha is the strategic arrangement of the forces to resist the penetration of the enemies.
Okay.
If I am correct, kindly.
I'm not clear of the meanings. I not checked the meaning. Okay, if you want, I can check the book I have and tell you what is Vyudham, like that. Vyudham. Vyudham means collection of people or something like that. Vyudham. It will take time. That's why I will, if you want, I will tell you in the next class. That you can check up any of these available texts on commentary. They will give you the meaning of this word.
B. Lalita Bhagini. Lalita Bhagini.
Yes, madam.
No, you have raised the hand. So, do you have any clarification relating to shloka?
No, madam. I want to chart.
Shyamala Bhagini.
So, Mahodaya, in the last sloka, Swasharam, Vishrujya Sasaram or Sasaran Chapam.
You can use both. Sasaran Chapam. Not in, but nya. Cha, cha, ja, cha, nya will come. That fifth letter, that you can replace this, that can replace this anuswara.
But both are correct, Mahodaya.
Both are correct.
Also correct.
Sasaram chapam, both are correct.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Subhashini Bhagini. Subhashini Bhagini. Any other queries? You can raise your hand so that I can call your name.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Prachatu Bhagini. Any other queries?
Mahodaya,
Yes.
maybe if you have time, what is the dvam? It is the stress you are going to give in pronouncing the half letter. That is what you mean? I don't know.
This is you have to the next following Vyanjana, Vyanjana Ashram, you can give a doubling sound you can give. That is the doubling effect you can give. Ashastram, Shastrapanayaha, Shastrapanayaha.
No, Shastra is a half is there. So we are telling Shastra. Shastra.
Shastrapanayaha. So this is a half sa, half tra. So it's a samyuktakshara. So there you can slightly shastrapanayaha. So slight you'll find some difference. Shastrapanayaha.
Okay.
You
That's
get,
what stress of the half letter.
yes, yes.
Fine. Okay. Thank you.
So here, each, as I told you, there are 4 padas in any sloka. Yeah, which each pada is 8 letters. This is Anushtup Chanda, 8 letters. In this case, 8 letters. So you can remove this halanta. This is called halanta letter. Halanta, that you can remove. Without that, there will be 8 letters. In every such pada, you can leave this ending this halant one. Otherwise, there will be 8 letters will be there. So here you can see ta, inme, chema, taram, bhavit. So 8 letters will be there. Here, if you leave this, you will have 8 letters. So there you can make the pause here and chant the next pada. But you can make the pause only at this end of a pada. This within a pada, you must continuously chant. No stopping in between in a pada. So after a pada, you can make a stop. You can take a pause and then.
In this tanme, in also we have to leave tanme.
Tanme, no, not in this. This is one word. Tanme.
Okay, 4 words.
One syllable. This is tanme.
Okay.
So this is 2. This is 4. This is 2.
Okay.
So that 3 you can discard.
Oh, which means all the half letters are not considered as one word. Complete.
At the end of the word. At the end of the pada.
Okay, இப்ப நடுப்புறியே half letter வந்தா அது one letter.
Because if it comes, it will be a samyuktakshara. See, tanme. See.
Dharta, Rashtra. Rashtra becomes 2 letters, la?
This is 1 letter only. Rashtra.
Ra is tra.
This is 1 syllable. This one. Rashtra.
Tra is 1 syllable. Yeah,
no.
tra.
No, the combined thing. Ishtra.
Ishtra is 1 word. 1
yes.
letter.
So
okay.
this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Then 8. And the half letter will be joined into a full letter.
Full letter. This is actually Ishtra. This is Samyuktakshara.
Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So and also we can.
Can you teach me 21 first line?
21.
21 first line. I'm not getting where to break it.
Which one here?
Krishikesham tada.
Krishikesham tada vakyam itamahamakipate. See here, Krishikesham 4 letters, 6 letter, and this is 8 letter. This im you can leave.
हाँ, हाँ.
So then
Vakyam idamaha. Okay.
that is idamaha is 4 plus 4, 8 letters.
Right, right. Okay.
So you can count also, and then you can stop there.
Okay.
Then you will know where to stop.
Thank you.
Hrasva, Dirgha, you can take note of that. Hrasva, Dirgha. Then Alpa Prana, Mahaprana, you can take note. That's all. That is all this thing. And the Ditvam rule.
Ye. Senayorubhai.
Can I say this 21?
Yes.
ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापय मोच्युत is correct? Mechuta, sorry. Yeah, Mechuta.
Yes.
Thank you.
Here also you can say 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 letters.
Yeah, dhanyawad.
That's all. Only here Mahipate, it's a Dirgha.
Mahipate.
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 So you pronounce it like that. Wherever there is a shorter one, like anywhere, Rapi. Senayorupayorapi. There we can.
Senayorupayorapi.
Yes, that's it. That's all.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Om Visamapayamaha. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು
महोदय.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ
Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद महोदय.
पुनर्मिलामः.
Namaste, Mahodaya.